Hey Maria, embedding links for Google Docs is super easy. So you're on a Google Doc, you have something you want to link me to. So one of your materials is graphic organizers. So we go up here, we get our link, we copied that, and then we just highlight, and then go up here in the little insert link, and then you paste it, and then click apply. That's it, that's all it means. Now, if you're going to a different Google, so you have your lesson plans saved as different Google documents, you just do the same thing. You copy them just like you would another web page. So let's just pretend this is one of the things. So you click share and it'll let you copy a link for your Google Doc. Get a shareable link. So then we can copy that link. And this is the same for all Google Docs. This is a Google presentation, but you can do it for a Google Doc. So you just copy it and then go back here and do the same thing. And then that link will take you to that website. Let me know if you have any other questions.